I'm Anthony Williams, an avid 42 player, a citizen of Abilene, Texas, and the mayor of Abilene, Texas. Well, gosh, this month at the Grace, we're going to teach 42. 42 is a game that originated in the Lone Star State, and so we're going to have a chance, an opportunity to try to teach others how to play the game of 42. I've been playing 42 for the last 21 years since I've been employed at Abilene Christian University, but truth be told, they were playing long before my employment at ACU. You have a group of guys, some are plumbers, electricians, some of the blue-collar guys at the university. But over the number of years, it evolved into inviting others like city employees and other business individuals. And sometimes you have 4, sometimes you have 8. But what you have every single time is highly competitive 42 play. God, I am so excited about the grace and opportunity to instruct and how to play dominoes and 42. I mean, a chance to involve generations that I think should be avid domino players. Be able to understand the game and play the game and somehow persuade them to get in front of the TV. And playing other games that are not sophisticated as dominoes and 42. And so I'm looking forward to that opportunity, excited about it, and I think it'll be something that the community will appreciate also. Well, they'll have a chance to learn how to play, so all the fundamentals, and dominoes, maybe a little smack talking can be taught. We may even introduce some West Texas barbecue that really completes and caps off the event of a good domino evening. But more than anything, I think we're trying to do is bring people together. Have an opportunity that may bring people to the table, if you will. Otherwise, we'll not be across from each other. And whenever we can do that, we have a better community, a better Abilene. And that is what I'm looking most forward to.